early blessings installation again. Here we go. Okay, our installer over there. So here, maybe later on we have to install also the cute one. See, oh, I like this. Yeah. My toy is also a good one. Okay. Oh, those trucks is already done. One. Okay.
Kasi ng picture ko rin sir yung inano tinignan ko yung mga ano Yan ang makina. Yan.
Wow.
Videoan mo.
Oh. This is the vintage one that we're going to install also after this. You see,
Vintage car.
this one, oh, it looks very new. You look at this. Toyota engine.
Toyota
Tricky. I'm used to have this type of engine before, but it was 4K and 7K. Very small. And later on, we needed to have the product, our installation also on this one. That's the owner, the chief mechanic of this company. This is company national sportsman BROKERAGE. Well, look, the installation. All right. Okay, Noli, how are you? Good morning.
Okay.
Wow.
Fine.
Pakita mo nga yung logo mo. You're in the light. Where's the logo? Voila. All right, man. So there, the gadget over there. There's a TGT. The same sequence, same system. Okay. And that's it. It's also ilang tulinada to?
Nasa 60.
It's about
60 tons.
60 tons load on this truck. All right. Okay. Check it out. So it was 40-footer truck there. So that's the one. They make it double. They make it double of that one. All right, thank you.